That was huge.
Let's go with Billy G. Billy G.
Oh, what's up, dude? Oh my God. What's up, everyone? Here at RC Madness for another bash day. This is the June 2026 one. Over there, we've got the bash area. They just wet it down. I've got my truck set up here for the competition. And there's a whole bunch of other people down there with all their bash gear. And it's just a good turnout this year. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll go give it a shot. See you there. Rob, which one's first?
Long jump.
All right. Long jump.
On their way, all participants in a long jump competition, make your way over to the pit right away.
Right away.
Do a long jump?
Oh yeah. There he is. What's up, Mikey? How you doing?
Towards the vegetation, and we try
So,
to see who has
how you doing?
the RC that can jump the furthest, okay? Last year's.
Gotta go faster.
All right, all right, all right.
You got bad ice
All right. And he almost took himself out.
I did not. I did not. And it's still working.
Give it up for roll range. Give it up for roll range. Give it up for roll range.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
All right, we got Chicken Pete out here. Chicken Pete, let's go. Chicken Pete is our current leader. Let's go.
Oh, the typing looking wow.
Kraton success.
Oh, Kraton success.
Kraton success. Uh-oh.
More timing.
Oh, yeah, he's on the phone. Oh, he's in the woods again. We got another one.
Hey.
Tarzan. All right, walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it. I'll give it to Beans a little bit. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. Yes, sir. Oh, he
Nice.
landed it. Oh, he gave us a witty at the end.
The second part of Washington.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
PK is our current leader. We need somebody else to do cone duty to make sure that if there's any change in leader, to make sure to hit the marker.
I got you, Ian. We know.
You skipped me.
We,
Oh, you're playing some sort of game.
no, he's serious.
I am serious though. I know Rob. He'll probably mess with me.
Get your camera out.
Whoa. That was huge.
Let's go, Ian. Great and success. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Nice.
That was close.
Oh.
You got him? Ian. ICRC 83 is our
Got it? All right.
leader. Clap it up again. Clap it up again.
I can still go again.
You still gonna go again?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's just gonna show off. Okay.
All right.
All
No.
right. Just for practice.
All right. Thank you.
And roll. And roll.
You got it.
Thanks, man. Whoa. Oh, so close. So close to the pole. Second attempt. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Oh, boy. Watch out. It just didn't stop your controller and car.
Oh, it did?
Basically hit it.
Oh.
But you're good, I think.
Oh. Well, this guy's lucky he didn't get hit. Huh. I know, right? Here comes a Typhoon. Uh-oh.
Oh, he got it! He got it! Got him!
Wow, nice.
Oh, yeah! He won! Hey, look at this.
Oh, what's up, dude?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't think you were coming.
Oh, yeah,
That's
no.
cool. You guys both work on the channel, or?
Yeah,
I'm usually like the
He's
cameraman.
filming
Usually.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
so,
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, you guys got good camera work.
We'll definitely bust up the camera thing.
All right,
So.
that's awesome. Oh, is that the same one you used? I forget, for the long jump? Was it the battery that did it? You just smoked me. That jump looks hard. It's really hard to hit that thing. It's narrow. If I can hit it.
Those the Forest ties?
Yeah, for Team Corrali tires. This is more your style. Custom made. Those are Mojave arms. Yeah. Kraton hubs, Mojave arms. Kraton shocks.
Easy. He knows his game. He knows it's a long game. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. It's time to turn the heat.
Oh, what's up? How you doing?
Willie,
Didn't get to finish the car for it.
let him know.
The what?
I didn't get to finish my car for it.
Ah.
Let's go.
I heard you were.
The double.
Oh.
The double. What the car went? Oh, yo, run. Let's go, Hale.
Wow. Oh, on the top.
Okay.
Hey.
Right, long jump. Oh, he landed it. That was on purpose.
Yeah, that's right.
The double in the wing.
Oh.
It's over. Let's go. All right, start off with
Nice. Clean, clean. Oh. Nice.
Oh,
Definitely.
that's great. Oh, I'm telling you, the kid is not new to this. The kid is something special.
Yes.
Unicorn, he landed it. He landed it. Woo! 1 minute left. One.
Yeah, oh yeah.
8.8 for Mike. Give it up for Mike. 8.8. He's a current leader.
Look at that. That was a perfect. Oh.
You already called.
Dude, that was the cleanest run ever. Out of retirement, straight for the win.
All the 6S or just this one?
This is just the Typhoon bug, yeah, the Typhoon kit. Yeah, it's like they're all 3 pieces, but then it connects with one rod through there. Yeah, it's super like.
You're never gonna break now.
I know.
You'll break everything else besides that.
I know. That's pretty much what's gonna happen. So guys, the competition's pretty much over. Not too happy with the freestyle performance, but that's okay. It's all about having fun. And speaking of that, now we're gonna do a little more bashing out there with Harold and James. And we got Haywire over there, both of those guys. Got the EXB Kraton. mud. Jesus! That was a close call. Nice. Oh. Let's go, Harold. Oh. Nice. Go for it. See, that's crazy. 200 for that top. But that's nice.
I did it one time. So dirty.
There you go.
It took me forever to clean it.
Why you got broken?
Nothing. Just the truckified Typhon. I have charged batteries, but I don't really want to break more trucks. And I know that will happen if I keep bashing. I'm actually gonna head out.
Yeah, I think
It's hot.
I'm gonna